How did trial by ordeal work in the medieval justice system? Have you ever wondered how justice was served in medieval Europe when evidence was scarce? One of the most fascinating methods was trial by ordeal. This practice was rooted in the belief that God would intervene to reveal the truth. If someone was accused of a crime, they might face a painful or dangerous test. The outcome was seen as divine judgment. There were several types of ordeals, each with its own unique challenges. One common method was ordeal by fire. In this test, the accused had to carry a red-hot iron or place their hand in flames. After a few days, the wound would be inspected. If it was healing well, the person was considered innocent. If the wound became infected or did not heal, they were deemed guilty. Another method was ordeal by water. In this case, the accused was bound and thrown into water. If they sank, it was believed that the water accepted them, marking them as innocent. However, if they floated, they were seen as guilty since the water rejected them. This test was particularly dangerous, as sinking could lead to drowning. Ordeal by combat was yet another method, mainly used among nobles. This involved a physical fight between the accused and the accuser or their champions. The winner was thought to have God's favor, thus proving their innocence. These ordeals were typically supervised by a priest or religious official. Their role was to ensure the ritual was conducted properly and to reinforce the idea that the outcome was a judgment from God. This religious aspect was vital, as it transformed the ordeal into a divine trial rather than a human one. Trial by ordeal was prevalent from the early Middle Ages until the 13th century. It was a significant part of the medieval justice system before more evidence-based methods, like jury trials, became common. The Catholic Church officially banned trial by ordeal in the year 1215, leading to the adoption of other legal procedures. However, some forms of ordeal continued in certain regions 4 years after. Overall, trial by ordeal illustrates how law, religion, and superstition were intertwined in medieval society. Justice was often sought through divine intervention rather than concrete evidence. This method reflects the unique beliefs and practices of the time, showing how for society has come in the pursuit of fair justice.